How are you? Nice to meet you. My name is Jose. What happened? Again?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay, you pay cash or credit card? Card?
Yeah.
Okay, this is $80, okay?
80.
$80, yes. Okay.
Hello.
Rápido. You need to open for inside.
Only for inside?
Yes. Give me the key. Yes, I can do this key. With remote is $200.
200 for
Yeah.
Okay, give me phone number.
Okay. Select the option for the tip or no. Select your preferred option.
Okay, no money.
Don't worry,
Next
don't worry.
time, okay? Next time.
Next time
Yeah.
with the key.
Yeah, okay.
I send the
message text, yes.
the last 4 digits is 857.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, my
You're
friend.
welcome. Give me phone number for the
Yeah.
key. Okay, thank you for service. They're really happy.